Hello students, yesterday we had understood the future tense and we had completed question 1 and 2. Now today we will start with question number 3. Before starting question number 3, let us understand future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed by or before a certain time in the future. It is commonly used with a time expression. Now the structure is will or shall plus have plus V3. Next is future perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about actions which started before and will continue through a longer period of time in the future. It is often used with a time expression. Now the structure will be will or shall plus have been plus V3, V1 plus ing, present participle. So now let us start question number 3. Identify the tense of underlined verbs in the following sentences. Write SF for simple future, FC for future continuous tense, FP for future perfect and FPC for future perfect continuous tense. So, A. Mansi will draft the invitations for the workshop. Will draft. Will and V1. That is simple future. So, we will write as F. Number B. The organization will be working on equal food distribution. Will be working. So, future continuous. We will write here FC. You have to do C and D in homework. E. I will not require the detailed documentation. Will not require. Will and V1. Simple future. SF. As I will be transferring the resources only in the next month. So, will be and transferring. So, future continuous. We will write FC. F. Hetal will have been supplying the raw materials since 2004. Will have been supplying. So, will have been and present participle. This is future perfect continuous. So, we will write FPC. But we will need another partner to meet the demands of market. Will need. Simple future. So, we will write here SF. Students, you have to do from G to H in homework. Now, question number 4. Choose the correct verbs from the box and complete the following sentences with their suitable future tense form. Here we are given a box and in this box we are given the verbs. We have to use the suitable verb form from this and we have to complete. A. Gyanvi blank for the discussion only if all the team members are present. Gyanvi will agree. Next, first we'll underline this. We have used agree. Now B. By the next week, Dhani will have received all the offer letters. We have used here the form of receive. Will have received. C. Pragati will address the gathering during the seminar tomorrow. Will address. We have used here address. D. The production team blank at 11 o'clock tomorrow will meet. So, in this way you have to use the left words in these left blanks in the homework. You have to do from E to H in your homework. Now, question number 5. Complete the following sentences using appropriate verbs in the tense given in the brackets. A. Srija blank in the school choir for 5 years next month. We have to fill with future perfect continuous. Will have been singing. B. Blank we blank the museums before lunch. It is a question and simple future. So, shall and visit. C. Anish blank to all his new colleagues by now. Future perfect. Will have introduced. D. Dikshita blank to Assam next month for vacations. Simple future. So will travel. In this way you can use any suitable verb here, but the form should remain same as given in the brackets. Understood, students? So from E to H you have to do in homework. Now question 6. Identify the errors and rewrite the sentences correctly. One has been done for you. We have to identify the errors in these given sentences and then we have to rewrite in correct form. Now students, this exercise you have to write in notebook. As we are not given any place here to write, you have to write this in your notebook. Let us start with A. Amina will be brought souvenirs for her friends from Sikkim. Now will be, if it is will be, it should be ing form. It should be the present participle. So will be bringing. B. The mails have been. Have been. If it is have been, it will not be sending. It will be sent. So have been sent by the end of next week. C. Tomorrow. Roshan and I could be baked a cake for our parents' anniversary. It will not be could be baked. It will be will bake. We always use V1 with any helping verb. D. Varsha shall be in reading. It will not be shall be in reading. Varsha will have been reading. We do not use shall with any other word except we or I. So this way you have to identify the error of the verb form and you have to correct it. And you have to do from E to H in your homework. Now we will start question number 7. Look at the following situations. Frame predictions based on them as per the instructions given in brackets. One has been done for you. Here you are given some situations and on the basis of those situations you have to predict the next instruction. Now see, the temperatures have already fallen to 0 degree in November. Future continuous and relocate. So the family will be relocating to warmer region next week. B. The batter for the cake is spoiled. Future continuous and prepare. We will be preparing a new batter for the cake. C. Jessie is studying the chapter on tenses. Future perfect, complete. Jessie will have completed the chapters by the end of the day. D. Rajan's stock of eggs is finished. Simple future, buy. Mohan, will you buy some eggs from the market? Understood, students? So you have to understand the given situation and you have to frame the sentence. You have to frame a prediction of instruction according to the given situation with the given verb and the given tense. Understood? So from E to H you have to do in your homework.